Okay, here's an ice cream truck. Hi.
Hello. What are you gonna get?
I want to get the SpongeBob popsicle, the Bugs Bunny popsicle, the Powerpuff Girls popsicle, the Sonic popsicle, and the Minion popsicle.
Sponge? Okay, that's the only one you have?
I have everything.
You have Sonic?
I have Sonic.
You have Bugs Bunny?
They have Pink Panther and also the Sour Patch Kids.
Okay. So this one you have SpongeBob, Sonic, Minion?
You see Pink Panther?
And you have Pink Panther?
No.
Oh, and the Sour Patch Kids.
Okay. He doesn't have the Sour Patch Kids. He just
Okay.
has that.
And also the Bugs Bunny
doesn't
one
have
and the
that one yet.
Powerpuff Girls.
Those are sold out. Okay, let me see how much I have here. I don't know if we're gonna get the Minion. How much is it?
So let me take 2.5.
12?
And I want a taco.
6, 7,
I want a taco. I want a taco.
Okay, my